In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chart in TradingView. How can I remove all drawings and indicators from the chart? If your chart is feeling cluttered with trend lines, shapes, text notes, or a handful of indicators, this quick method will get you back to a clean, distraction-free view in seconds. We're going to use TradingView's built-in clear function, and I'll point out a couple of small interface details so you don't miss the right option. First, open any chart you want to clean. This works the same across symbols and timeframes, and it doesn't matter whether you're using a free or paid plan. Once your chart is open, look to the Drawing Tools toolbar. On most screens, it runs down the left-hand side. On smaller displays or certain layouts, you might see a compact version near the bottom. You're looking for the trash can icon. It looks like a small bin and is usually at the bottom of that toolbar. Here's the key part. Don't click the trash can right away. Hover your mouse over it for a moment and a small arrow or drop-down indicator will appear. On a trackpad or touchscreen, think of this as a long press or a gentle hover, not a quick tap. The goal is to open its menu, not trigger the default action. Now click the tiny arrow or the drop-down to reveal the options. From the menu, select Remove Drawings and Indicators. As soon as you choose this, TradingView will immediately clear all drawings, indicators, and other objects from the chart area. Your symbol, time frame, and layout stay intact. Only the visual add-ons are removed, so you get a clean slate without changing what you're viewing. If you clear something by accident, you can instantly undo it. Use the undo button in the top toolbar, or press Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on Mac to bring everything back. A quick tip before you clear. If you've spent time building a setup you like, consider saving your layout or duplicating it so you can return to it later. It's a simple way to experiment without losing your preferred configuration. One more helpful note, from that same dropdown, you may also see options to remove only drawings or only indicators. If you want a partial cleanup, those options let you be more selective without wiping everything at once. And that's it. Open your chart, hover over the trash can icon to reveal its dropdown, choose Remove Drawings and Indicators, and you're back to a fresh, uncluttered view. This is perfect for resetting your analysis or preparing screenshots and clean comparisons. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined TradingView workspace.